All right, let's talk about a brand new tool from Google Search Console that, honestly, is going to completely change how you look at your website's performance. It's all about finally getting a real answer to one huge question.
I mean, it sounds simple, right? But think about it. Are the people visiting your site old friends who already know you by name, or are they total strangers who just stumbled upon you for the very first time?
See, that's the big difference we're digging into. You've got people who are intentionally searching for your brand, and then you've got people who are just organically finding you. Folks who didn't even know you existed until now. And let's be real, trying to tell these two groups apart has always been a messy manual headache.
Well, that all changes now thanks to Google's new branded queries filter. This little feature in the Search Console Performance Report finally draws a clean, automatic line between these two super important types of traffic.
Okay, so to really get why this new filter is such a game changer, we got to first be clear on what Google actually calls branded versus non-branded. And, the distinction is a little more subtle than you might think.
So, according to Google, a branded query isn't just your company name spelled perfectly. Nope. It also includes all the common variations, the inevitable misspellings, and even searches for your specific, well-known products or services.
Let's make this real. Say your company is called Aquabox. A branded query could be something obvious like Aquabox water filter or even a typo like Aquabeaks. But a non-branded query? That's someone searching for best under sink water filter. See the difference? They have a problem, but they don't know yet that your brand is the solution.
So, how does this actually work inside Search Console? Well, it's super simple to use, but believe me, what's going on under the hood is incredibly sophisticated. The filter gives you two totally separate views of your data. We're talking one click. That's it. And you can split all your key metrics, clicks, impressions, click-through rate, average position, to see only your branded traffic or only your non-branded discovery traffic. And get this isn't just some basic keyword filter. It's powered by Google's own internal AI-assisted system. That means it understands context, it gets typos, and it could even figure out when someone's searching for one of your unique products without even mentioning your brand name. Pretty smart, right? Okay, this is where it gets really interesting, because this is so much more than just a new button to click. This filter is like a powerful new pair of glasses that lets you see the real story behind your traffic numbers. For the very first time, you can see this breakdown with perfect clarity. Are you just coasting on your existing brand reputation? Or are you actually pulling in new people from the wider market? This filter gives you the answer, plain and simple. Think of it this way. The amount of branded traffic you have is a direct, measurable score for your brand awareness. It literally tells you how many people out there know you by name and are actively looking for you. And on the flip side, your non-branded traffic, that's your gold mine. That's your window into new growth. These are the brand new customers you're capturing, the untapped market that's just waiting for you to expand into.
You ever have that incredibly frustrating problem where your rankings look amazing, but your traffic just isn't growing? Well, this filter can finally tell you why. If all your top keywords are branded, you might have just hit a ceiling with your current audience. You're not reaching anyone new. This basically gives you a much more honest report card for your SEO work. Because real success isn't just ranking for your own name. It's seeing that steady growth in non-branded queries. That's the proof that you're attracting a totally new audience and actually growing your slice of the pie. All right, now before you rush over to Search Console to check it out, hold on. There are a few important little details and things you absolutely need to know. First off, don't panic if you don't see it yet. Google is rolling this out gradually over the next few weeks. Also, it's only available for top-level domains, not subdomains. And finally, your site needs to have enough traffic for the system to have enough data to work with. So if you've got a newer or smaller site, you might just have to be a little patient. And this is absolutely crucial. Google has made it crystal clear. This is a reporting tool. It's purely for analysis. It has zero effect, none whatsoever, on how your site actually ranks in Google search. It's just there to help you understand your data better. So the door is now wide open to a much, much deeper understanding of your audience. The question is no longer just how much traffic did we get, it's who is that traffic? So when you finally apply this new lens, what story is your data going to tell you?